Hey guys, it's me, Anthony's Hess Trucks. So, today right here, I'm reviewing this 2003 Hess truck with two racers, aka the F1 racers, or Formula 1 racers. So let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So this truck was like this Christmas traditional truck, and did you know that those two racers is actually the F1 racers? And let's check out this art. So this art right here and says Hess Express right here, and those Christmas traditions, and those cars to be, I don't know, Chrysler right there, or random GMC, I don't know. So this art got this amazing Christmas tradition, and the best art that this truck right here, and it says Hess everywhere, like this art was big classic. Here's the front side. Front side is a bit better, and you can see underneath those lights, and it says Hess, and in the top Hess 2, and those windows don't have a steering wheel, and a bit more classic too. Here's the top one. It says Hess toy truck and racers, or race cars has every ready batteries, real hand tail lights, two racers with pullback motor, and real hand and tail lights. So this is the back side right here. It says both Hess right in the track, back of the trailer, and those lights in the trailer too, and also made in China. So let's open up. Alright everyone, I got this truck out. So this truck design was awesome. It has a silver steering wheel and those black seats and interior, and sidely, look, no lights. Sorry. Anyways, so those classic wheels and silver wheels, and those red rims, and those rubber tires. And did you know this truck used to be a Kenworth version of this truck? So give a like and subscribe of my channel, and give a like and support. Anyways, let's continue. In the trailer, said Hess gasoline, those green lines, and in the top there's some like lights in the top, and silver there, and I don't know, is that maybe it's like open up, or it's tools and interior. Anyways, same wheels. Let's check out this back side. Can open right those doors. And I'll stick this incredible cars. Here's another one. Take that bad boy out of here. God darn it. Like, pull it down. Stick it in and close it. So we got those racers, but they have lights. Look. Got this incredible lights. Let me turn on. Here we go. So those two racers has lights, and those classic lights right here, and can race up in the shine in the dark. And those F1 racers are color of white and green. Those test traditionals since that vehicle came out in 2003. And here's our driver, like driver inside. Well, anyways, I'm gonna put it back in the trailer. Then I put those racers inside of a trailer. They look like a same exact of the 1997 version of a truck. So this truck was definitely incredible designed, and I say that again. Anyways, well, thanks for viewing my videos, and subscribe my channel and give a like and below. So give a thumbs up anyways, and well, bye.
We will make the world shine.